Outside about to harvest some romaine lettuce. Good evening. How's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's been having a great day. Today I am about to go ahead and harvest this romaine lettuce. I was just gonna do the leaves, but it's gonna get ate tonight. So I'm about to harvest it right now. Wow. Nice piece of lettuce. Romaine lettuce. Let's go get it cleaned up. All right, y'all, this is my wash station. I'm real happy with this purchase because I don't have to take all that dirt and bugs all into the house. All right, y'all, show you what we got from that harvest. That's going to the chickens. Look at that. Don't get no fresher than that. That's probably like, what, $3-4 in the grocery store. Got that right there. And then what's gonna get ate on tonight. All right, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all out there growing yourselves a garden, backyard grocery store. We'll catch you on the next one.